Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, October 7th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have more low clouds and fog hanging around the region as that onshore flow continues. Winds are generally, though, light and variable throughout much of the region. With those low clouds and fog, that is reducing visibility in some locations below a mile, like, let's say, up in the Catskills and around the Hudson River Valley and down towards Long Island. Temperatures range quite a bit over the interior, ranging anywhere from the upper 40s to mid-50s in your higher elevations in northern Connecticut, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, mid-60s in your urban areas around the Philadelphia metro. Again, where you see some clearing, your temperatures were able to plummet, like let's say in West Hampton Beach in Long Island or down towards southern New Jersey around Millville. So you see there's a wide range of temperatures, basically dependent on whether or not you had cloud cover and fog, and then clearing skies, light winds, a wide variety of influences. A nice little example of microclimates throughout the region. Now, our winds right now are coming in from New England and the Canadian Maritimes and feeding right into our neck of the woods. Down here, well, that's going to be a bit of a pest for us as we head into this weekend. Let's take a look at our surface map and radar. You can see right now our low pressure system here that's festering off the southeast coast. And then this low pressure system here is representative of the upper level low. For today, this high-pressure system will generally be in control, and that's going to lead to a mix of sun and clouds and maybe an isolated pesky shower. But other than that, it's going to be pretty quiet today and for tomorrow. But as this low-pressure system drifts northward, well, that's going to increase the threat for showers for this entire weekend, and a stiff easterly wind between this high-pressure system and that low-pressure system is what we call a pressure gradient. The stronger the pressure gradient gets, or the difference between these pressure systems, the stronger that easterly wind will be. And that is essentially going to be the theme for this weekend. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see our low pressure system here festering. Now, it does have a bit of a tropical component here, as it was a tropical wave, but there is a very, very low chance of any type of warm core low developing out of this. Most likely what we will see is maybe taking on a few little tiny tropical characteristics around these thunderstorms, but essentially what we have here is a cold core low, which basically means a coastal low, a bit of a weak nor'easter marching its way up towards the coastal waters this weekend, thanks to our upper level low that's going to be weakening and shifting towards the mid-Atlantic. On our latest visible satellite pictures, the sun is starting to rise. You notice we have less low clouds and fog than what we had yesterday. So once this fog starts to burn off, should I say, that's going to lead to more sunshine throughout the region. And overall, a pretty nice end to the week. A little cool, but not too bad at all for this time of year. So for today, again, sky cloud cover is expected this afternoon. I can't rule out an isolated shower, but the key word there is isolated. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for sky cloud cover. Temperatures will fall off into the mid 50s over the interior, lower 60s along the coast. Then for tomorrow afternoon, look for sky cloud cover. Again, can't rule out that isolated shower. Look for highs in the lower to mid 70s, possibly a few upper 70s in the Philadelphia metro if we get enough sunshine. Then things set up for this weekend. That low pressure system will continue to fester around the North Carolina coastal waters, while this high pressure system strengthens right around Maine. Remember what I said about the pressure gradient. As these lines get tighter together, that's going to lead to strengthening of the winds in the afternoon. You see how that got tightened there? So as a result, you get this easterly wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. And of course, with that easterly wind and this low pressure system, that leads to the threat for scattered showers. Now, I'm not expecting a washout on Saturday, but certainly some of these showers will be capable of a brief heavy downpour. And as you go on through the afternoon and evening hours, you will see a greater increase of those showers. Temperatures on Saturday range from the upper 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. On Sunday, this is where things get a little bit more interesting. Now, the European guidance, which is what we're showing here, is producing a widespread rainfall event. The GFS produces almost nothing. These are two extremes. This is extreme solution. The GFS is extreme solution with nothing happening. You have a low pressure system over the coastal waters with an easterly wind. You're going to get scattered showers. The question is whether they'll become more widespread, and that's pretty much a debate that we're watching in the model guidance, as there is pretty much two families split on this. Given the pattern that we have here, I like the idea of scattered showers throughout the region, probably a little bit more steady rainfall along the immediate coast for a period of time in the afternoon hours. Regardless of whether or not you get showers, you are definitely going to be getting an easterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. And you're also going to have to be dealing with the threat for some minor coastal flooding along the Jersey Shore, Long Island, and Connecticut. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the mid-50s over the interior, lower 60s along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid-60s. And a lot of this would depend on whether or not you see a lot of rainfall here or not. If you get more of a isolated to widely scattered shower threat over the interior, then I would not be surprised to get more into the upper 60s with a little bit of sunshine mixed in there as well. So Sunday is definitely a bit of a wild card day, but anybody who slice it, easterly wind will reign supreme. For Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, stationary front, pesky shower here and there, mix of sun and clouds. No real heavy precipitation, but just kind of an annoying shower every once in a while. Lows in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to mid 70s throughout the region. Warmer conditions in your urban areas, generally in the mid 70s. And then on Thursday, strong high pressure will build into the region, providing clear skies with lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s and highs in the mid to upper 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and if you enjoyed this forecast, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there.